Now find a comfortable position. Close your eyes. Feel your body. It is heavy. It is relaxed. Let everything go. Good. Now imagine a soft, white, and fluffy cloud. You are sitting on it. It feels like a giant cotton ball. It is moving up very slowly, up away from the ground. Everything is quiet, only the soft wind. Slowly we go higher. Look down. The city lights look like tiny warm pearls. We pass through the white clouds. They feel cool and damp on your skin. They look like soft smoke in the night. Slowly we pass the high blue clouds. They are thin and wispy, like silk threads. Now we are at the edge of the earth. Look at the sky above you. It is not blue anymore. It is dark. A deep, beautiful, quiet black. It looks like a sea of dark ink. But it is a gentle black, like a soft velvet blanket wrapping around you. There is no weight here, no heavy feeling in your legs or arms. You are light, very light, like a small feather floating in the endless night. Look back at our home. Our earth is behind us. It is a perfect circle. It is glowing with a soft neon blue light. You can see the white swirls of the storms and the deep, dark blue of the oceans. The oceans look so calm from here, like a blue marble resting in the dark. It is so quiet, so beautiful. You are safe. The universe is like a big, dark cradle rocking you to sleep. Far away, in the deep distance, there is a gold light. That is our destination. Saturn. It is a giant ball of gas, soft and golden. It looks like a glowing lantern in the dark. You can see its rings spinning very, very slowly. The rings are made of ice and dust. They shine like a crown of diamonds in the starlight. Saturn is waiting for us. It is peaceful and grand. Do not hurry. We are moving slowly. Very slowly. The stars around you are not blinking. They are steady. They are like small candles, lighting your way on this long, quiet journey. Just relax. Feel the cool starlight on your face. Feel the deep peace of space. Your breathing is slow, very slow. Your heartbeat is steady, calm, like the stars, moving forever in the dark. We are leaving Earth far behind. We are going into a deep, wonderful dream. The way is long, but you can rest on your soft cloud. Relax your fingers, one by one. Relax your toes. Your eyes are heavy. Now we go. To the golden planet, to the giant of the sky, everything is quiet. Everything is warm. Sleep now. Now we oat closer to Saturn. Take a deep breath with me, in and out. Feel yourself becoming lighter, like you're oating in space. Saturn is huge. Much, much bigger than Earth. If Earth were a marble, Saturn would be a basketball. But here's something amazing. Saturn is made mostly of gas. Hydrogen and helium swirl together like invisible clouds. These are the same gases that make balloons oat up into the sky. Imagine you could touch Saturn. It would feel soft, fluid, like the gentlest cloud on the quietest day. You might even oat right through it, like swimming through cotton candy made of starlight. The hydrogen whispers, whoosh, as it spins around the planet. The helium dances, swish, in slow, peaceful circles. Round and round, round and round. Saturn spins so gently in the darkness of space. No rush, no hurry, just oating, spinning, dreaming among the stars. Saturn is not just a giant ball of gas. It has a stunning set of rings that encircle it. made mostly of ice and rock particles. These rings react sunlight, making them glimmer like a celestial jewel in the vastness of space. Beneath the layers of gas, Saturn has a core that scientists believe is made of rock and metal. This core is surrounded by a deep layer of metallic hydrogen, a form of hydrogen that behaves like an electric conductor due to the intense pressure inside the planet. Saturn is also home to some of the most powerful storms. In the solar system, its winds speeds of up to 1,800 kilometers per hour, far faster than any storm on Earth. Saturn has over 80 moons, each with its own unique characteristics. Titan, the largest, is bigger than the planet Mercury and has a thick, hazy atmosphere. It's the only moon in our solar system with a significant atmosphere and liquid lakes on its surface, though these lakes are led with methane rather than water. Then there's Enceladus, a small, icy moon that has geysers shooting water vapor and ice particles into space from its south pole. These geysers suggest that there might be a subsurface ocean beneath its icy crust, a potential home for extraterrestrial life. Let us delve into the enchanting tale of Saturn's rings, inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Picture the beauty of creation as we journey back in time. Long ago, Saturn's rings began their story. They were born from ancient collisions where icy moons and comets shattered into countless pieces. Imagine these fragments, like glittering confetti, slowly coming together to form a marvelous ring around Saturn. These rings are like a cosmic ballet, each piece dancing in perfect harmony. The ice and rock particles are remnants of celestial bodies. As they spin, they create a shimmering band that encircles the planet, a testament to the artistry of the universe. In this serene cosmic dance, the rings maintain their delicate balance. As you imagine this celestial wonder, feel the tranquility it brings. The rings speak of creation, destruction, and rebirth. Their story is one of change, a reminder that even in chaos, beauty can emerge. Let your imagination carry you through the rings, surrounded by their ancient whispers. Float, dream, and let the universe cradle you in its timeless embrace. We uncover Saturn's rings. Take a deep breath with me, in and out. Imagine the rings, wide and shimmering. Saturn's rings are like a giant, sparkling hula hoop. Made of ice and rock, they shine brightly in space. Each tiny piece twinkles like a star, dancing in the soft light. Imagine the rings spinning round and round. They whisper secrets of the universe to each other. Close your eyes and picture yourself gliding gently along Saturn's rings. Feel the cool, soft touch of ice and rock beneath you, round and round, like a gentle carousel in the night sky. The rings are silent and calm, just like the night. No rush, no hurry, just a peaceful dance. Float, drift, dream. Close your eyes and imagine yourself traveling back through time. It's a quiet, starry night long, long ago. The year is 1610 in the beautiful Renaissance city of Padua, nestled in northern Italy. The cobblestone streets are empty and peaceful, lit only by Ickering candlelight from windows. In a modest stone house near the ancient university lives a very curious and brilliant man named Galileo Galilei. He is a mathematician, physicist, and astronomer who loves to study the mysterious heavens above. Galileo has spent countless evenings gazing upward at the in-night cosmos, wondering about the secrets hidden in the darkness. He has already made remarkable discoveries about our moon, adding that its surface is not smooth and perfect, as people once believed, but covered with mountains, valleys, and craters. He has also discovered 4 moons orbiting Jupiter, proving that not everything in the universe revolves around Earth. On this particular peaceful evening, as gentle breezes carry the scent of Mediterranean oars through his open window, Galileo looks up at the dark velvet sky. Among the thousands of twinkling stars, he notices a strange, mysterious light that behaves differently from ordinary stars. Unlike the rapid twinkling of distant suns, this celestial object glows more steadily and calmly, like a golden jewel, floating serenely in the vast black ocean of night sky. How curious! Galileo murmurs to himself, stroking his graying beard thoughtfully. This wandering star moves differently across the heavens. It must be another planet, like Mars or Venus. With growing excitement and anticipation, Galileo reaches for his precious handmade telescope, a revolutionary instrument. He is carefully crafted from polished brass tubes and precisely ground glass lenses. This remarkable device can magnify distant objects, 20 times larger than what the naked eye can see, though by today's standards it would seem quite primitive and simple. With excited, trembling hands that shake slightly from anticipation, he carefully points his treasured telescope at the mysterious wandering light in the sky. He adjusts the focus slowly and patiently, just as you might adjust your pillow to in the most comfortable position for sleep. "My goodness," he whispers in wonder, his voice lead with amazement. "This is indeed not an ordinary star. It's actually a planet, another wandering celestial body, like Mars or Venus. But wait, what are those strange, mysterious shapes on either side? They look like little handles or ears attached to a cosmic teacup." Through his small but precise telescope, the majestic planet Saturn appeared like a celestial body with curious ears or handles extending from its sides. Galileo's instrument wasn't powerful enough yet to reveal the true nature of these mysterious structures. Saturn's magni-set ring system, which surrounds the planet like a royal crown, made of countless sparkling particles, looked to his limited view like strange bumps or appendages attached directly to the planet's surface. It appears as though this distant world has handles, like a precious ceramic cup with 2 elegant ears. How extraordinary and puzzling the universe continues to be. Galileo whispers softly, led with the same sense of wonder. He carefully sketches what he sees in his leather-bound notebook, drawing Saturn as a round planet with 2 smaller circular shapes on either side. He writes in his elegant handwriting, "I have observed the most distant planet to have a triple form." Little does he know that he is looking at one of the most beautiful and complex structures in our entire solar system. For many years, following Galileo's discovery, astronomers across Europe wondered about Saturn's mysterious ears. They observed patiently night after night, season after season, documenting every small change in the planet's appearance, waiting with the same quiet patience and persistence with which you now peacefully rest your head upon your pillow. These mysterious ears were actually Saturn's breathtakingly beautiful ring system, countless billions upon billions of particles made of glittering ice crystals, rocky fragments and cosmic dust that circle the planet in perfect gravitational harmony. They rotate slowly and majestically through the infinity of space, like an eternal cosmic ballet that has been performed for millions and millions of years. But Galileo's telescope simply wasn't strong enough yet to clearly see this wonderful truth hidden in the darkness. The ice particles in Saturn's rings range in size, from tiny grains smaller than sugar crystals to massive chunks as large as houses and mountains. They orbit Saturn at different speeds, creating intricate patterns and divisions that astronomers would later discover and name. The rings are incredibly thin. If Saturn were the size of a basketball, its rings would be thinner than a sheet of paper, yet they stretch for hundreds of thousands of kilometers across space. Someday, Galileo says sleepily, gazing up at the star-led sky, someone will solve this great mystery. Someone will reveal the truth about these distant worlds and unlock the secrets they hold. And indeed it happened, just as Galileo hoped and dreamed. Many years later, in 1659, a brilliant Dutch astronomer named Christian Huygens discovered the truth using a much more powerful telescope. Saturn actually wears magni-set rings like a royal crown, spinning gently and eternally through the profound silence of space. Huygens wrote, "Saturn is surrounded by a ring, which nowhere touches the planet." Later, astronomers would discover that Saturn has not just one ring, but thousands of individual ringlets, each with its own unique characteristics and orbital patterns. They would learn that Saturn has dozens of moons, some of which act as shepherds that help keep the ring particles in their proper places through gravitational forces. Now, rest, little explorer and dreamer. Let your mind drift peacefully like Saturn through the cosmos. Dream of distant planets waiting to be discovered of patient astronomers, making careful observations, and of the in-night wonders of the universe that surround us every night. Close your eyes and imagine yourself floating gently among the stars, as calm and serene as Saturn's ancient rings. Close your eyes and drift with me through the starry night. We are floating peacefully near Saturn's magnificent rings, witnessing something truly extraordinary and beautiful. Do you see those tiny glowing moons circling gracefully around Saturn? They are called shepherd moons, and they have one of the most important jobs in our solar system. Like gentle shepherds watching over their precious flock of sheep in green meadows, these small celestial guardians take loving care of Saturn's spectacular rings. Saturn's rings are made of countless millions of sparkling ice pieces, rocky chunks, and tiny dust particles, some as small as snow flakes, others as large as houses. These beautiful fragments shimmer like diamonds in the sunlight. Without the shepherd moon's constant, gentle protection, all these precious pieces would slowly drift away into the vast darkness of space, leaving Saturn bare and lonely. But the little shepherd moons use their gravity, an invisible, magical force that pulls objects together to keep everything perfectly in place. Gravity is like an invisible rope that connects everything in space, holding the universe together with tender care. Imagine you are a shepherd moon, slowly and gracefully dancing around Saturn in an eternal waltz. You pull the ring pieces closer, with your gentle gravity when they drift too far away. You push them softly back into line when they wander too near to Saturn's surface. You are a cosmic guardian, protecting and organizing the beautiful chaos of space. The shepherd moon, Prometheus is only 86 miles wide. That's smaller than most cities on Earth. You could drive across Prometheus in just 2 hours. But this tiny, potato-shaped moon has enormous responsibility. It helps keep Saturn's delicate F-ring perfectly round, neat, and stable, like a cosmic Tra-C controller, managing the ow of countless ice particles. Another shepherd moon, Pandora, works together with Prometheus, like perfectly synchronized dance partners in a cosmic ballet. Pandora is slightly larger, about 103 miles across. These two moons create beautiful order and harmony in the seemingly chaotic realm of space. They orbit on opposite sides of the F-ring, their gravitational forces working in perfect balance to maintain the ring's structure. Scientists have discovered that these shepherd moons don't just maintain the ring. They actually sculpt them, creating gaps, waves, and intricate patterns that look like cosmic artwork. The Cassini division, a large gap in Saturn's rings, exists because of the gravitational influence of Saturn's moon, Mimas, which acts like a distant shepherd. As we watch these cosmic guardians in their eternal dance, feel how peaceful, safe, and perfectly ordered everything is in this corner of the universe. The shepherd moons never rest, never sleep. They are always protecting, always caring, always maintaining the delicate balance that keeps Saturn's rings so breathtakingly beautiful. Their work reminds us that even the smallest things can have the most important jobs, just like how you might help take care of your family or friends. These tiny moons take care of something much larger than themselves. Let your breathing become as gentle and rhythmic as their orbital dance. Breathe in slowly and out, like the eternal peaceful movement of the shepherd moons around Saturn. Feel yourself becoming as calm and steady as these celestial guardians. Now it is time to return home. Our journey through Saturn's wonderful world is coming to an end. Take a deep breath and feel yourself floating gently away from the beautiful rings. The tiny pieces of ice and rock wave goodbye as they continue their slow, peaceful dance. Saturn grows smaller and smaller behind us, but we will always remember the amazing things we learned. We discovered that Saturn is made of light, gases, hydrogen, and helium that make it float like a balloon. We learned about Galileo, the curious scientist who saw Saturn through his telescope. He thought it looked like it had ears, but it was really the magnescent rings. Those rings are made of billions of ice chunks and rocks, all moving together in perfect harmony. And the shepherd moons, like gentle guardians, keep everything in its proper place. As we drift back toward our blue earth, feel your body becoming more and more relaxed. Your breathing is slow and steady, just like the peaceful movement of Saturn's rings. The stars twinkle softly around us. Everything is calm. Everything is safe. Everything is perfectly still. Close your eyes now and let the gentle memories of our Saturn adventure carry you into sweet dreams. Good night, little astronaut.